Hi, my name is Mai. Thank you for installing SafeShop by Otto, the easiest way to secure your online store and protect your customers from unexpected security risks. By choosing an e-commerce solution that provides an excellent foundation of security and incredible customization, you've made a great choice. But that's just the beginning of your security journey. With great customization comes great responsibility. During your free trial, I'll be riding along to give you a crash course on the road rules of security so you can start secure and stay secure. Over the next 2 weeks, we'll learn about the benefits of having a trusted brand, the hidden risks, how Otto works to keep you safe and secure. We know you're busy, so don't worry if you don't have time to watch videos. You're welcome to go back to the business of getting customers. The minute you install Otto's SafeShop app, your site is secured. To continue learning about your site's security, click here.
Safe to dance. Oh, well, it's safe to dance.